Here we are already on the giveaway for November the 16th. And before we get into that, let's see who the winner was for yesterday. November the 15th winner was Hannah, Silver Lake, Oregon, USA. So Hannah, be looking for your envelope in the mail. It will go out tomorrow. And so I don't know how long it takes to get to Oregon, but be on the lookout for that, okay? Now, what's on the giveaway for today, November the 16th? We have this little trio here. This is a little snippet. Isn't that cute? Just love that. This is a pendant that can be worn as a necklace. It can be pinned on or put on a necklace. It can be used in your junk journaling, art journaling, or anything else that you'd like to do, okay? So you decide how you want to use it, all right? Then this stitched piece that's in a nautical theme. All the elements were collaged, and then I stitched a cross-hatched stitch on it. Wanted it kind of look like fish netting, and I believe that I got that look out of it. So this is ready to put on something of your own and decide what you'd like to do with it, okay? Now, the instructions were in the beginning of this video, so remember, you can only win if you comment on the giveaway video. So if what I'm giving away in each video is something you'd like to win, then comment on that video. You only have to send me your information by email one time. That goes in a log, and I'll keep that. And so I'll have it to refer to. But the winner's name will be drawn out of those commenters for each video. So don't forget, if you want to win what's in that giveaway for that day, you have to comment on that video. All right. If you want to try to win them all, comment on every video. That's as simple as I can make it. Okay. So this one will be going in. This will be tomorrow's when we. This is today's November the 16th, but we will be announcing the winner of this one tomorrow. So let's put its envelope under it and set it aside, and I'll package that up neatly. All right. Just in case you're curious, I pulled out a few things that I'm going to be giving away this month, okay? This is one. Now, each of the bigger items, I always pair it with something smaller, but I'm not pulling all that out. I just want to show you some of the bigger things that are going to be given away. So this one, then that one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So you can see we've got quite a variety coming up, and so be sure to check every day. You don't want to miss the giveaway when it's the item you really want to win. But if it was me, I would comment on every video. That way you've got a lot better chance of winning something, okay? All right. So now, let me put these away. Don't want them to get messed up before they get to go to a new home. And I think that's everything that we're going to be looking at today. So until I see you again tomorrow, Stay scrap happy and very safe. Bye-bye.